Welcome out to yet another unique home tour that we are going to see today. We are back out here at Vintage Oaks looking at yet another builder building out here in this community. Today we are going to be looking at a Scott Felder home, but first, my name is Brock.Bremmer and I am your San Antonio realtor. If you're brand new to my channel, thank you so much for checking out this video today. I greatly appreciate your time. If you could go ahead and give me one of these thumbs up and like the video, as well as hit that subscribe button so that you'll be among the first to know whenever I post another video in the future. Now today we are out here at Vintage Oaks, like I mentioned before, and today we are looking at a home built by Scott Felder Homes. Scott Felder is one of the 6 builders chosen to complete homes in this neighborhood, and home sites here range from 1 acre all the way up to 14 acres. So if you're looking for a little bit of elbow room and kind of stretch your legs a little bit, be a little further away from your neighbors, this neighborhood is probably the perfect spot for you and your family. Now this neighborhood, Vintage Oaks here, is located on the west side of New Braunfels, and it's just north of San Antonio. So you're very close to San Antonio city limits if you're working in the area, and you're not that far away from Austin, Texas if you happen to be working there as well. So you're a short drive from both major cities in the area, but New Braunfels has everything you could need for you and your family. It's got a grocery store, it's got entertainment, it's got rivers for you to float, it's got a water theme park there as well. So there's a lot of stuff for you and your family to enjoy in New Braunfels itself. But if you're looking for a little bit more, San Antonio and Austin are not far away at all either. So this community here, Vintage Oaks, it is a 3,900 acre community, so there's a lot of space out here for everyone. It's got multiple fitness centers with classes every single week for you and your family to partake in. It's also got some different pools and a lazy river and over 5 miles of walking trails. So this community has a little bit of everything for you and your family to keep you entertained while you're out here. But I'm going to digress just a little bit. If you have any specific questions about this neighborhood, this home, or anything real estate related when it comes to San Antonio, New Braunfels, or any of the surrounding areas, please reach out. My contact information is down below in the description, and I'll post it here on the screen for you as well. So please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm here to be of service and help you whenever you are looking for that home or you just have a real estate question. So again, do not hesitate to reach out whenever you need that help. I am here for you. So without further ado, let's go check out this incredible home. Welcome to the Caporina by Scott Felder Homes. This is a lovely single-story home with 2,739 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms. This home can be personalized with multiple options to include a luxury master suite, a study, an optional 5th bedroom, as well as a covered patio and even a bonus room. You'll see here in this model that there is a 2nd floor, and that is the optional bonus room that you can add to make it your own. Hope you enjoy the tour. All right, well, thank you for checking out this incredible home with me. Drop down in the comment section below what your favorite part of this home was if you haven't done so already. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop those down below. I will be responding to every single comment that is left behind. If you have a question that needs a little bit more attention or is a little bit more personal, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is down below in the description, and I will post it here on the screen for you as well. Now, if you are looking to make a move to San Antonio, New Braunfels, or you're already in the area and wanting to move, please reach out. I am your San Antonio realtor, and I will be of service to you, help you and your family buy and or sell a home in the area so that you can find the home that you need. The summer months are here. It is heating up, and not just the temperature. Yes, it's incredibly hot out here these days in the summer, but the real estate market is still hot. Yes, interest rates are rising, and so not as many buyers are in the market. We are seeing a small shift in the real estate market, but it's still competitive out there, and a lot of these homes are flying off the shelves. So please reach out to me so that I can get you the latest and greatest information as far as pricing and availability for this home or any other home in San Antonio and the surrounding areas. I can help you purchase a home, whether it's a brand new house, an existing home, a piece of land, or anything in between. So please reach out. I'm here to be of service to you. And if you happen to be watching this video and you're not trying to move in San Antonio, please reach out. I have a network of agents all across every single state here in the United States, Canada, as well as Mexico. So if you're looking to purchase a home in any of those locations, I can definitely get you connected with an outstanding agent that will take great care of you and your family. And if you haven't already, please give me one of those thumbs up so that I know you gained some sort of value and enjoyed this video. If you could also smash that subscribe button and bell icon, that would be great as well, so that you can be notified and kept up to date whenever I post a new home video in the future. Thank you so much one last time for checking out this video today, and I hope you have an incredible day. I'll see you in the next video.